Get unlimited money, unlimited likes on the video, using Cree Hack, no root required. It's me, gameguardian, and today I'm going to show you how to use Cree Hack to hack your favorite Android games for free purchases, unlimited money, unlimited gems. And to be honest, this app scares me because I don't know how it works, but it does work and I'm going to show you how to use it. All the links are as always going to be down in the description below. Leave a like while you're there, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. So without any further ado, how do you use Cree Hack? Simply download the app at the link in the description to get a legitimate working version, the one I have right here, install, and from there it's literally the easiest game jacking tool out there for Android. You start up the app, you simply tap the enable button, and that's it. Can you believe it? You just go into your game, you go into your premium shop, you buy stuff, a message will pop up, you tap hack of course, and you get free money. More, and more, and more, and more. Some gems, yeah. More gems, more. And basically you repeat until your fingers get tired or until the numbers don't fit on the screen anymore. And that's how you get unlimited money, unlimited likes on the video, using Cree Hack, no root required. Easy. If you have the patience to keep clicking more, more, and more. Again, I have no idea how this tool works, but it does work in a whole bunch of games. However, it does not work in every game, especially not in online games that store their money values online on online servers. Let's always keep in mind that offline games store all their values on the game client on your phone where they can be modified, but online games store them on online servers where you cannot modify them, and in-game purchases are getting verified by online servers as well. So if your game requires the internet in order to work correctly, you have an online game on your hands, and to cheat you're going to want to Google game hacks, go to hackerbot.net, go to the hack finder tool and find legitimate cheats and mods for those games there. Simply enter what kind of cheat you're looking for and download the latest and best cheats, mods, and game jacking tools from the best providers out there for your favorite online games. And download HackerBot APK at the link down in the description below to use the tool even more conveniently. Again, Cree Hack is absolutely amazing. It's magic as far as I'm concerned. However, it will not work in every single game and on every single Android device. However, when it works and it requires no root whatsoever. One of the most easy to use game cheating tools out there, period, for Android. But if it doesn't work for your device or you're trying to cheat in an online game, download HackerBot APK instead. Or Google cheatware, go to cheatware.net to check out the latest and best game cheating tools for Android and find one that works for your game. That's it from me. That is how to use Cree Hack to cheat in your favorite Android games. No root required. All the links down in the description. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Game Jacker out.